Hi everyone, so in this video we'll learn about enums. Enums are basically used whenever you want to represent different states of a thing. First we'll see an example in the form of arrays. Later we'll take that example and convert it into a enum. Let's create an array first. So it will be license states. It will be array of strings. And we'll have three states here: active, deactive and failed. Now we need to get the state. For example, if I want to get this active state, I have to do it like this: license states and the index number. Now let's print that state. Save it. So I'll get active. If I want to get the index, then I can simply make use of index of method and pass the active here like this. In that case I will get 0. Save it, and this is the output. If I want to get the index of failed, I can put failed here, save it, and this is the output. So far this seems to be a good approach, but suppose in case if you have around 10 states, 15 states or 20 states of this license, in such a scenario you have to remember the index and its value so that you can do the comparison later. We can fix this issue with the help of enums. Just simply delete this part and put enum. This is for creating a enum. Then you will give the name of the enum. In this case it will be license. We will have three states here: active, deactive and failed. Now we need a variable, so let's make it license. If I want to get the numerical value of this active, I have to make use of license dot active. So it always starts from 0. That will be 1, that will be 2, like we have in the case of arrays. Put console log here and license. Save it, and this is the output. If I want to get the value, which is basically active, then I have to pass numerical value here, also known as index. Save it, and you will get active. There's a plus point in case of enums as compared to arrays. If I want to change the numerical value of this active, suppose I want to make it 10, I can do like this. Now here, if I'll put license.active, I'll get 10 in return. See, and it will basically increment the value here. Now deactive will have the value of 11 and this will have 12. So let's put failed here to get the 12. So this is the output. You can also access it based on the index. So if I'll put 12 here, I'll get failed in return. Save it, and this is the output. Now let's have a look over const enums. First we'll see JavaScript code generated by Typescript for this enum, and you can see this is the amount of code which is generated by Typescript, and there are around 9 lines. If I'll simply make it const here and put active here, then you know very well I will get 10 in return. Save it, and this is the output. Now if you look over the JavaScript code, it will be only 3 lines. Now this is one advantage and disadvantage of using const enum. Advantage is this: the amount of code which is generated by the Typescript is very less, hardly 3 lines. So the performance of your application will be really awesome. But in case if I want to get this active value, it is not possible. If I'll put index here 10, I can't get that. It is only possible when I will simply remove this const keyword. So depending upon your requirement, you can go for the enum or const enum. I hope you got the point how they actually work. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.